On this video today, I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, so make sure you pay attention to the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know so that you can be making money using this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate marketing network. There are many of them. In this case, I'm using Yaxin.com. Yaxin is one of the best affiliate marketing network where you can find a lot of different stores and brands to promote so that you can earn a commission anytime you get a sale. So you can search for Yaxin.com. Once you search for it, you can create your free accounts and then find different offers that you can promote to make money from home. As you can see, this is my dashboard. You can see the amount that I've earned. This is pending, and so far this is the amount that I've been paid. As you can see, this is my dashboard. You can see this is the amount that is pending, and so far this is the amount that I've been paid. So what you have to do is that you have to also create your account so that you can be able to find offers to promote. Once you promote the offers and get a sale, you are going to be paid. Now once you have created your accounts and login, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, brands and stores. Once you click on it, you'll be able to find brands and stores that you can promote. You can see as I scroll down, these are brands and stores that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different brands and stores that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see this offer right here. You can earn up to $1,000 when you get a conversion. You can see it right here. You can see it right here. This one you're going to be earning 5% of the price of the product. So when you promote it and then people purchase it, you are going to be earning 5% of the price of the product. Pure VPN, you can see you're going to be earning 25% of the price of the product. This one you're going to be earning 5% of the price of the product. There are many offers, so all that you need to do is that you have to scroll down and then click right here, show more. Once you click on it, a lot of different other brands are going to be displayed. You can see this offer you're going to be earning $75 per sale that you get. This one you're going to be earning $50. This one you're going to be earning 6% of the price of the product. So just scroll down and then select any offer that you want. If you also want, you can sort the products based on categories so that you can select the best category that you want. So for example, when you click right here, select category. Once you click on it, you can see a whole lot of different categories that has been displayed. You can see. So now you have to select the category that you want so that you can find an offer to promote. You can see a whole lot of different categories. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to select animals and pet supplies. So click on it, animals and pet supplies. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, these are all products that are related to animals and pet supplies. You can see a whole lot of them. This offer right here, you're going to be earning $50 per every sale that you get. When you scroll down, there are many more that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. In this case, I have one product that I want to show you. So let's search for it. So to search for a product, what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then type whatever that you are searching for. So in this case, we are going to search for Poppy Spot. Just type the name of the offer that you want. Once you type it, you can see it right here, Poppy Spot. This offer, when you promote it and then get a sale, you are going to be earning $200 per sale that you get. So if you are able to get 2 sales per day, you are going to be earning $400 per day. If you are able to get 3 sales per day, you are going to be earning $600 per day. If you are able to get $5 per day, you are going to be earning $1,000 per day. So it depends on the number of sales that you get. So what you have to do is that you have to try as much as possible so that you can find a high quality traffic source for you to get people to purchase the product so that you can be making a lot of money per day. If you get a highly targeted traffic source, it is easy for you to get 5 sales per day, and those 5 sales you can be making $1,000 per day. So let's click on it so that you can be able to see some details about the product before we find a traffic source and then promote the offer. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are the details of the offer. When you read it, you can see what the offer is about. You can see it right here. You can see browse adorable healthy pups from 100 plus breed and find your new family members. So it is a brand that sells puppies and they have a lot of different breeds that your potential customers can select. Any of the breeds that they select and make a purchase, you are going to be earning a commission. If you want to visit the Poppy website, all that you need to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can visit the website and then see everything. Once you scroll down, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, shop now. Once you click on it, you're going to be directed to the offer website. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is the main offer website. You can see they have a lot of different things on the website. You can see these are different breeds of puppies that your potential visitors can select and then make a purchase. These are all different breeds of puppies. So any of them that your potential customers purchase, you are going to be earning money. If you want, you can call them via this number and then tell them that you are an affiliate. If you just want to get familiar with them, so you can talk to them and then get more details about the offer. As you can see, a whole lot of different details. If you want to see more, you can click right here, browse all puppies. Once you click on it, you are going to see the different breed of puppies that they have. You can see everything. As I scroll, you can see these are different breeds of puppies that they are selling. You can see everything on the website. You can see they look nice. So if you get a high quality traffic source, the likelihood of you making money is very high, as you can see. Now once you are able to get to know more about the next step is that you have to drive traffic to your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link, so you have to get people to click on it and then make a purchase so that you can be earning $200 per sale. There are several ways that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. You can use the free traffic source, you can use a paid traffic source. It depends on whatever that you want. In this case, I'm going to show you a free traffic source whereby you can target people who live in the United States to click on your link and then make a purchase so that you can be earning money on Yaxin.com. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is Jihoid.com. Jihoid.com is one of the best websites that you can use to target people who live in the United States. The best part is that any city in the United States or any state in the United States that you want, you can target it and then get people to purchase the product that you are promoting. You can see a whole lot of different states and cities. As you can see, these are states and cities in the United States. You can see this website is available in the United States. So if you post your ad, you are posting to people who live in the United States. You can see a whole lot of different states. Some people don't believe in free ads, something that a deception, but when you look into the website, you can see people are posting ads. If these people are not getting results, why would they keep on posting ads onto the platform? You can see these are ads that people have posted onto the website. So if you also post an ad, the likelihood of you getting people to click on it and then make a purchase is. So if you don't have money to run paid ads, this is one of the best options that you can use. Use the free ads so that when you make the money, you can then use the paid method. So this is one of the best free methods that you can use to make money. Now once you are on the website, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post ad. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select a city. So select any of these cities that you want. In this case, I'm going to select Phoenix. So click on it. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to select the category that you want to post your ad. In this case, the offer that you are promoting is under the animals and pest supplies. So what you have to do is that you have to select pest. Once you select pest, you have to select the kind of pest that you are posting. You can see a whole lot of them. You have to select dogs and puppies. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to type the title of your ad and then paste it here, and then you can also enter a location, but you have already done that. You can see this is our location, but if you want, you can enter the location here again. In this case, I'm not going to do that. All that you need to do is that you have to enter the title here in the description. To get a title, you can come back on Yaxin.com. Once you come back, you can see this is the title. Highlight and copy it. If you don't want this title, you can also type your own catchy title that will get people to click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase for you to gain money. Once you have copied your title, what you have to do is that you have to paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to type a description here. So just come back on Yaxin.com. Once you come back on Yaxin.com, highlight and copy the description of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, come back. Once you come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your description, the next step is that you have to type a call to action here so that you can get your potential viewers to click on it and then purchase the product. So type any call to action that you want. In this case, I'm going to type something like click here to visit our website. Just type a call to action like this. Once you type a call to action like this, the next step is that you have to come back on Yaxin.com. Once you come back, copy your affiliate link. Double click on it so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you have to come back and then highlight your call to action. Highlight it. Once you highlight it, click on this globe icon. Once you click on it, you can paste your affiliate link here. So paste it right here. Once you paste it, click on OK. Once that is done, your affiliate link has been inserted into your call to action. When you scroll down, you can see this is a preview. You can see it right here. So this is exactly what your potential visitors are going to see. Now once that is done, you have to scroll down and then enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address, the next step is that you have to upload images of the offer that you are promoting. So you have to go back on the offer website. Once you come back, you can download images of these copies and then upload them as your ad images. So let's download this image. To download the image, right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save images. Once you click on it, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once that is done, you have to download as many images as you want. Once you have downloaded the images, click right here, choose file so that you can upload your images. Once you click on choose file, select your image, click on open, and the image has been uploaded. Once that is done, click right here, choose file. Once you click on it, select another image and then upload it. Once you have uploaded your images, the next step is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see people can contact me with commercial interest. So if you want people to contact you with commercial interest, you can check this box. In this case, I don't want that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see I agree to the terms of use by making a post. You have to check the box. Once that is done, you can see featured ad. If you want your ad to be featured at the front page of the website, you have to make a payment. So you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can select any of these options and then make the corresponding payment. You can see if you want it to be featured for 30 days, you are going to pay $12. For 60 days, $15. For 90 days, $18. But even if you don't pay, your ad is going to be available on the website for up to a year. You can see it right here. Your ad will be displayed for 365 days. So whether you make the payment or not, your ad will be on the website for 1 year. Now once you have entered all the details, you have to click right here, post now, so that you can post your ad onto the platform. Once you click on post ad, you're going to see a page like this. You can see verify your email address. So you have to open your email inbox so that you can verify your email address. Once you verify it, your ad is going to be live on this website and you are going to be getting free traffic to your affiliate link. Apart from this website, you can also come on this website right here, freeads24.com. Once you are on this website, you can also post your ad without paying for anything. You can see a whole lot of different ads that people have posted on this website. When you scroll down, you can see right here, these are the categories. You can see the categories, so you can also post your ad. You can see pest, so you can also post an ad under the pest category. On this website, you can see a whole lot of different categories. Just select any category that you want, go back on yaxen.com, find a product and then post it onto this website so that you can get people to purchase the product that you are promoting for you to earn money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.